Welcome to True Finance, where your financial future begins with clarity and confidence.
Envision yourself, valiant and determined, at the outset of an epic quest. This journey, distinguished not by the pursuit of gold or acclaim, but by the allure of financial stability. Picture the phases of life as chapters in an illustrious saga, starring you as the seeker of fiscal wisdom. Here, aptitude in financial planning is a treasure for every age, prompting both the youthful aspirant and seasoned sage to navigate the treacherous domain of economics and investment. Your chart? A plan sculpted for each epoch, from your initial savings to the richness of your twilight years. As a knight equips their armor, so must you steel yourself against fiscal adversaries lying in wait. Within this sphere, knowledge and strategy serve as your sword and shield. Whether threading the enchanted forest of fixed index annuities or unscrambling the runes of indexed universal life insurance, your journey requires alertness, prudence, and an unyielding resolve. For in the realm of monetary feats, survival is not the goal, thriving is. Take heed, intrepid explorer, your odyssey commences with comprehension. Establishing the bedrock of your fiscal fortress is paramount, and the wisdom of planning through life's stages is indelible. Press onward towards triumph, with the chart of finance unfurled, and commence a pilgrimage of pecuniary enlightenment. The seeds sown at present are destined to burgeon into the robust oaks of your future prosperity. In the annals of fiscal mythos, a resonant adage prevails. It is the early bird that claims the golden bounty. With resilience and foresight, our protagonist embarks into the enigmatic expanse of finance, where the acorns of affluence are cultivated through discernment, an auspicious onset that heralds the might of an early commencement. Along this juncture, behold the fixed index annuities. Akin to enchanted bastions, they shield your assets against the tempestuous market's wrath. Envision these safeguards as valiant sentinels, vowing to preserve your riches amidst the realm's volatility. Our saga's symphonic prelude hints at a myriad of fiscal strategies that lie ahead, waiting to strengthen our champion's arsenal. Together, let us step onto this path, entwined in the pursuit of the arcane wisdom that is financial planning. Anticipate the revelations of indexed universal life insurance, a versatile talisman assuring both growth and defense, as our protagonist learns to wield it within the shadows of economic uncertainty. With each stage traversed, our hero's armor expands, emboldening them against tomorrow's trials. Our narrative unfolds as our protagonist uncovers a glinting amulet infused with the essence of indexed universal life insurance. Not relegated to whimsy, this artifact proffers a robust tool, protection amid life's squalls, and the promise of harvests in times of prosperity. To the fledgling wayfarer, this insurance adapts like a chameleon's cloak. Even amidst life's capricious peaks and through threads of career and existence, it grants financial shelter and opportunities for enrichment. Our resolute protagonist seizes this amulet's potency, charting their future free from the dread of unpredictability. As a wand might bend to a wizard's will, this instrument flexes with the market's rhythm, offering growth potential without succumbing to the abyss of loss. With this ally at their side, our champion maneuvers through the vicissitudes of fate, ensuring a future as secure as the mightiest citadel. As evening stars signal this chapter's conclusion, stay the course. For our chronicle is rich with continuity and the prospect of wisdom yet to be shared. Within the verdant forest of earning, our undaunted hero gleans that true wealth lies not solely in accumulation, but in prudent cultivation. With the alchemy of fixed index annuities, our hero deftly allies growth with a market index while shielding against economic downturns. Facing the inflationary giant, a creature that erodes the worth of coin and harvest, our protagonist discovers in these annuities an unyielding vanguard. Their wealth is not merely shielded, it is fortified, charting a path to sustenance. The riches gained offer a balanced means to prosperity. Now, armed with insights as eternal as the ancient oaks, they step forth from the woodland of erudition, their satchel burgeoning with strategies. Let us forge onward, for the narrative will soon cast us into the realm where indexed universal life merges safeguarding with potential, inviting us to observe the incantation of the protection spell. Arriving at life's zenith, our stalwart hero stands poised at the crossroads. Enlightened by their quest thus far, they are well equipped to fortify the days ahead. Now is the time to invoke the most potent of incantations, the protection spell, with indexed universal life. Amid peak earnings stride, the hero wields this dynamic shield, ensuring the sanctity of their heritage from life's shadowy menaces. Our hero, invigorated by this dual force of defense and progressive growth, appreciates this strategic point in time and seizes its potential. In this chapter of our narrative, the valorous aspects of the spell flourish, harmonizing with the hero's own ascent, reflecting gains unmarred by the maelstroms of the marketplace. Envision a safeguard forged from one's own endeavors. Here, our protagonist secures a lasting legacy upon the bedrock of astute planning. As the spell bestows reassurance, the hero gazes forth with aspirations aloft. Our next verse awaits, immersing us in the art of fixed index annuities, precious tools for safeguarding our amassed fortune for the coveted years of retirement. To the treasure hunter, it's evident that meticulous preparation shapes the expedition. Our enlightened hero approaches the cave of retirement, primed to enshrine their saga. Here, the strategic allure of fixed index annuities beckons, promising that not even the sharpest talons of market turmoil can pilfer the trove gathered across an epoch. In the realm of the morrow, these instruments stand like steadfast sentinels, imparting solace where the hourglass dwindles. As the dragon of inflation bellows, they remain immovable, diffusing the peril of volatility into the hum of predictable income. We now find our hero at rest, confident in the enchantment of their annuity as they entrust their treasure to its unfaltering guard. As we prepare to close this chapter, our gaze is cast forward. Let us not waver, for the allure of indexed universal life insurance begins to cascade across the new dawn, promising further tales of financial resilience. In the rich tapestry of life, our hero, basked in the golden glow of the years well earned, contemplates a trove of wisdom and reward. Reflecting on the chapters past, they revel in the intricate weave of security that indexed universal life insurance has provided, painting their retirement with hues of ease and bounty. The labor of past quests has given way to joyous repose, where life's simple pleasures are savored. The assurance from indexed universal life ensures that past uncertainties dissolve into tales merely told, as the melody of financial liberty serenades. Confident in their lifetime's fiscal vigilance, the hero celebrates the tranquility brought forth through careful preparation. As the sunset of existence glimmers with the luster of aspirations fulfilled, the true measure of their riches is not counted in tangible wealth, but in the unwavering certainty of a legacy that will outshine the passing of seasons. At our tale's summit, we survey the vast horizons traversed within the kingdom of fiscal sagacity. From nascent steps alongside fixed index annuities to the deft handling of the indexed universal life insurance amulet, our hero has vanquished economic beasts and shielded their kin's bastion. As they luxuriate in the twilight of the golden years, their tools of providence persist as devout guardians against the ravages of time. With the resolution of our hero's narrative, we extend an invitation to you, the listener, to embark upon your own odyssey of financial discovery. Every life chapter pulses with distinct challenges and beacons of potential, your gleaned sagacity illuminating the journey that unfolds. We beckon you to fortify your course. Subscribe to unravel further mysteries and persist in your crusade for economic wisdom. Embrace the knowledge passed down through ages and forge ahead to a future resplendent with the wealth of legends. Though our protagonist's story concludes, your adventure is on the cusp of dawn. Will you heed the clarion call? As we close today's journey through the landscape of financial wisdom, we extend our heartfelt thanks to you, our dedicated viewers, for joining us. Please like and subscribe so that we may continue to bring you the best financial education.